Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Driver's Lounge. So the last video that I uploaded was a bit of an update about the AE86. It's been a little while since I've sort of been putting a lot of time into this car, but lately I've been kind of making a little bit more progress. So you'll see on the car, they're on the car at the moment, but these guards, they're more or less done. I'd say getting close to the best of my ability. I guess there's much time that I want to put into it without going overboard. So they're both done, they're both on the car. Today what I'm gonna do, I'll turn the camera around. A heap of little dents in the roof here. You can probably see my finger there. The bloody light's in the wrong way. So I'm gonna put some filler in the roof here and sort of smooth it out and try and get that level. And I also bought a welder. In the rear pockets, there's some rust in the bottom there on both sides. And just little things like here, I've had to cut a little bit of rust out. I have to do a bit more by the looks. And I want to replace that with some sheet, just so that as much of this car as possible, all of it, is actually metal. I've circled that dent because that's quite a large one. There's a big one here, you can probably see. And then, oh yeah, there we go. Just gonna fill it, get that ready, and then that'll be the roof done. So let's get to that. All right. I just want to do a really light sort of skim coat. An important thing that I've learnt from working on this car, especially with bog, is you can always buy more bog. And usually, if the bog goes hard because you've mixed a bit too much of it, like the hardener, and you're stressing because you don't want to waste it, the time you would take to go and buy more or mix up some more, it's a lot shorter to do that than it is to re-sand because you've put too much on or you've forced it on the wrong way. So that's definitely some advice I can give. But this is going on pretty good. Hopefully it's going to fill these little dents. And this is the new trick that I'm used to be able to smooth. That's just about dry. In the meantime, I've got the vacuum cleaner and I've gone over the floors here because I pulled the carpets up last night and like that side had never been up, so it was filthy. In the back here, it's been painted before, like this sort of grey sort of colour, but there's parts of it that like it's all chipped away and there's a bit of surface rust there. So I'm going to hit it with some Cure Rust and just paint over it with a bit of primer, edge primer, just so it's protected. Okay, so some etch over that. That should protect that for the time being. Now we got to sort out this bog. It's pretty much, it's a little bit tacky, but I think once I take the top off it, I could do with a bit more drying. We'll give that another 10 or so, I reckon. So I actually had to pack up last night just to do dinner and family stuff. But I'm back down in the shed today, working on the AE86, and hopefully this is nice and dry, which it is. The first thing I'm going to do is sand this down, flatten it out, and see if I've got any dents remaining underneath, or if the light little coat that I was hoping to do was enough for it. Just finished sanding it. I ended up using my orbital and just like hand sanding it. I haven't got a bloody, I thought I had one, like the flat bloody thing. What do you call them? Dun, 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 pending. Can't remember for the life of me. I can still feel some little ripples in here, but I'm gonna just clean it, wipe it with some wax and grease, and try and see how it looks. It's gonna be next to impossible in this light, so we have to put some paint on it, I think. So I've waxed some primer down on this, and I'm actually pretty happy with it. There's nowhere near, like when I say nowhere near, I'd bog it if I could see it. I can't really see any. Once I prime it and everything, it'll fill any little, I guess, little pinholes. It should be good. I'm happy with that. I reckon that's just about the roof sorted. Sweet. Got to do the hatch. The bonnet's pretty good. And then, oh, I should do a quick once over of the doors and make sure they're all good. But they were pretty straight to begin with, so I'm pretty happy with them already. So that's pretty much that video, guys. Just wanted to show you what I've been up to. I have been making some progress on it. I'm so excited to drive this thing again. It's driving me absolutely crazy that I haven't been. All I can do is keep looking at AE86s, which is really weird because like it's not the fastest car I've ever had. You know, it's certainly not the tidiest, but there's something about it that if you have one, you understand the raw sort of driving experience. It's heaps of fun. It's like a go-kart on steroids, and it drifts. So I'm so keen. I still haven't decided on a color yet. I really actually like the car that this color was factory, which is like the light blue color. I'll put a little photo in here of what it looked like. So I'm really keen on that. But I also like the grays, and I still also really like the red and black two-tone, but I think two-tone might be a little bit beyond my capabilities. If I paint it, I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to have to do it again because I'm sick and tired of actually doing this. So I think one color. The bumpers will probably be black, just like a satin black sort of thing, or I'll paint the whole car the same color, so if I need to repair a bumper or whatever, if I break it, I can just spray it and it's done. I don't have to worry about the two-tone rubbish. So maybe let me know what you guys think in the comments. The blue, a grey, or maybe a I can't do two-tone. Can't do two-tone. Don't make me do two-tone. Alright guys, that's this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all the comments and everything like that. We've just hit 500 subscribers too, which is really cool. So thanks to everyone for subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers for watching. Alright, see ya.